I'm Clint Wickham, General Manager for PPC Cement in the coastal region. This is the 8th pitch. We've done it over 3 years now. We're focusing mainly on the Mitchells Plain area and also now branching into Khayelitsha. This area is quite a busy area for us. We focus on a lot of retail outlets in this area. Also predominantly our LED market where we have little spaza shops selling our cement for us, and it's been a very successful model for us.
Mr. Qinisile Mlungu, the principal of Harry Gwala Secondary School in Khayelitsha. I've been the principal in this school for more than 10 years. We thank PPC and the JB Dumini Foundation for helping us to do this field, because we didn't have funds and the means to do the field. Now they came along, we managed to create this spot, do the field, as well as now we'll be getting some coaching clinics to help learners have more skills around this. And JB Dumini is somebody that we know and we are proud of, so we are very glad to have him along with the school.
To be a part of such a great initiative in collaboration with PPC, to think that we've done 8 of these pitches already in the community is a great achievement for us. And for me, it is a starting point of what I would like to think greater things to come. But for us now, it's participation. It's about getting kids active, getting kids playing sport, seeing smiles on their faces, no matter their circumstances and conditions. As you can see behind us here, the conditions aren't favorable, but yet they are out here playing, enjoying themselves, and that for me is a success story.
Yeah, look, PPC has always been 100% local. We're in our 128th year now. It's critically important, to give back to this community. And it's providing pitches like this. It might seem insignificant to others, it might seem small, but it's a start. And I think that in our other pitch programs, you can see that people have actually using it. It's still being used. It's not only for the children, but it's also for the communities as well to make use of it.
But this field also can benefit any clubs in the community that also can have a cricket, because late after school, so those clubs also can be part of this, also for the security of the field as well, because if the community is involved, then we can have more security for the field.
I think by the fact that even though it's a tough economic 2 years, I think the fact that we're still able to do this in collaboration with PPC just shows that we value each other's input in the community. We would not be here without one another, and I think that's the important thing to understand and recognize. So we're extremely appreciative of the collaboration, but also the fact that they are still willing to partner with us and to give back to the community. So thank you very much to PPC for their continued support, and we look forward to making some greater inroads in the community going forward.